Having more than 0.1 million active subreddits, that's communities, and diverse range of topics one can be engaged with. Reddit is a social media platform where users can contribute contents in different forms like post, comments, video, text, etc. that can be up or down voted by users. So Reddit offers an incredible platform that helps you reach a wide audience. And if you want to share your ideas as well as promote your video or digital products on Reddit, you need to sign up for a Reddit account at first. Today, I am showing you how to create, set up and verify a Reddit account. Showing right away, stay tuned. Hi, I am Khalid from Fiber Crest Tutorials. Hope you all are fine and doing well. In this video, I will cover the step-by-step process on how to create or sign up a Reddit account verification, profile avatar, logo and banner setup for a Reddit account. To create an account on Reddit, go to Reddit website, that's reddit.com, and then click on login. If you already have a Reddit account, you can place your username and password under login feature. I am going to sign up for a new account now, so click on sign up. You can sign up using your Google account credentials also. In that case, click on continue with Google. For me, I prefer sign up with my email, so placing my email address here. If you don't have an email before signing up on Reddit, make sure that you have created an email account on Gmail, Yahoo or wherever you like. Click on continue. Now create your username and credentials for Reddit here. Choose your username wisely, cause once you get a name, you can't change it. Don't forget using a strong password. Better use 8 characters minimum, mix upper and lower case letters also, and use at least one number. Confirm that you are not a robot and then continue. Now tell about you so that it will help building your home feed. You can pick the things you are interested in from here. So pick the things you like under different categories. And finally, click on continue. Personalizing your experience. In the left side, my Reddit community list appears based on my selected interests during account creation. So my Reddit account is created already. I can view my profile, edit profile avatar and change account setting here. I can log out my account from here also. There are some posts appear here under different subreddits or communities you can say. For now, let me log out from Reddit and then make a fresh login. So go to Reddit website and click on login. Placing my Reddit username and credentials, and then click on login. So this is the Reddit homepage for me after my logging in. And in the left side under recent menu, my recently visited subreddits, that's groups, appear. Also under communities feature, it shows the list of the subreddits, that is communities I already have joined. By clicking on star sign, any community can be added in the top list for easy access. Open chat option will provide you chatting facility with other members and communities also. Now, to configure detailed profile information, go to profile logo, then go to settings. Here you can configure your user settings for account, profile, safety, privacy, notifications, etc. Let me check my account settings at first. Here it shows my email is not yet verified, so I need to log in to my email. Reddit already has sent me an email regarding my account verification. Mentioning that my email address has already been added to my Reddit account and now I need to verify email address. So click on verify email address. My Reddit account is verified now. Let me click on profile logo and then settings. My email address is okay, that's verified already. I can set all other information also whenever I need. Now going to profile and to set a display name for my Reddit account, I am choosing a display name so that it can reflect something like my branding and work skills. Now placing a brief description of myself so that it will be displayed on my profile. I can add social links afterward also. For now, I am going to upload my profile avatar and banner for my Reddit account. To upload profile avatar, click here, then upload. For profile banner, click here. Then upload. Now go to Reddit home. Click on Profile Avatar, View Profile. So my profile logo and profile banner for Reddit account appears here. Therefore, I have successfully created my Reddit account and displayed the process on how can you create, configure and verify your Reddit account so that you can share your ideas as well as promote your YouTube videos or digital products on Reddit. We also have another video on how to promote YouTube videos and digital products on Reddit. If you need it, you can check the link below this video. Hope that you enjoy the video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and get in touch with Fiber Crest for more awesome upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.